Hey Shugs, welcome back to my channel, Anxiety Art Adventures. How are you doing? I am doing an unboxing today. I know, I don't do unboxings very often, but this one I wanted to do because it is a new company and I'm a big fan of trying out new small shop companies, so I wanted to give it a shot. So today we are going to be unboxing a kit from Sparkle&Spudz. For those of you that don't know Sparkle&Spudz, the owner is Dallas, who is the owner of Tater Tots Creations on Etsy. She does putty and diamond painting things, which is fantastic. Love her putty. She has been a sponsor for my events and is a very generous sponsor. So thank you to Dallas for that. Yes, but this is a new diamond painting company that she started fairly recently. I think it's been about a month now. And I went ahead and ordered one of the kits to test it out and try it. So I wanted to unbox it for you guys. And I'll get to the image and the artist and all that stuff. So you're going to get a basic toolkit. This is one thing I wish companies would offer, is the option to not have a toolkit. I know some companies do offer that, but I hope all companies eventually will offer that, because a lot of us experienced diamond painters that have been around for a while, we don't need toolkits, and it's just extra plastic to the environment. But this is your toolkit. So you get a little white MOSFA tray, you get 2 heart-shaped waxes, you get some tweezers, you get your diamond painting pen, you get some multi-placer tips, single placer tips as well, and then you also get a little squishy that goes on your pen. You know, y'all know how this works, right? In case you don't, I'll show you. So you can do it either way. You just smush the squishy on there like that. So that way it's a gripper, so you're not hurting your hands. So that is your basic toolkit. Yes. So if you haven't diamond painted or you're new to diamond painting, that is all you need to work on the kit. We'll put that to the side. Okay. So this kit is from the artist Pandy_Peachy. And as soon as I saw this kit, I knew I had to get it. So yeah, these are the drills. I'm just going to show you the drills first. Look at that. Okay, well, what I'm seeing, these are square drills. I thought I had ordered a round, but I guess I ordered a square. But that's okay. I don't mind. Okay, yeah, this is square. Okay, so this is a 50 by 50 centimeter. But yeah, look at all those pretty, y'all know me and my pinks. Look at those pinks and the oranges. Oh my gosh, yellows. Okay. Here's the inventory sheet. I'm going to show you the inventory sheet before I show you the actual canvas. Okay. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready? Look. This is Lemon Cream Delight by Pandy Peachy. It is a 50 by 50 centimeter square drill kit. And yeah, it has 50 colors. Y'all, look at that adorable image. Look at that adorable image. It's a little kitty in a cup with a piece of lemon cream pie or cake. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. Anyway. All right. So these are individually cut stickers. You can see they pull apart. That's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Okay. So that is your inventory sheet. And it does have the sticker. It's a big sticker. You can tear this whole sticker off and put it in your logbook. Yes. All right, here we go. Let me roll it the other way. Who here has ordered from Sparkle&Spudz? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have you started on the kit? What were your thoughts? All that good stuff. Okay, so this is a soft lint canvas. Look at that. Sorry for the glare. Let's pull this. Ooh, the plastic is nice and thick. Ooh, you know me and my plastic, y'all. Okay, I'm just pulling the plastic back to get some of the wrinkles out of the plastic. Love me some thick plastic. Yes, I do. It says it's got 2 types, AB and fairy dust. Isn't that just adorable, y'all? Look at that. Okay, let's look at it up close. Let's look at the grid line up close. Let's do the cat's face. Okay, so there are actual grid lines. So there are outlines of the squares, which is fine. It's fine. The drills should cover up, you know, the lines. The symbols all look very, very clear. Very, very clear. Okay, so you've got your key code in the left side and on the right side. That's nice. So you can see the key code whichever way you have your canvas. At the bottom, you've got your size, the title, and the artist. Always nice to put the artist on there. And you've got Sparkle&Spudz info down in the bottom. They are on TikTok and on Instagram. So yes, oh, this is interesting. So look, okay, the left side, at the top, you've got your image schematic. And of course, your number, your symbol, and your DMC. But then if you look at this side, it's upside down. So when you're working on it the opposite way, you've got your image here with all of your key code legend. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's see. We're going to do the sticky test. So if y'all don't like sticky tests, mute your camera or whatever. Mute your video. Ooh, very sticky. This is poured glue. Awesome. Woohoo. Look at that. I am just so, I love the pink and the yellow. It's very summery to me, very spring summery. And that cute cat is just adorable. Adorable. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So these are resin square drills. A soft short length canvas, and yeah, let's see. I'm not going to open, well, maybe I should open so we can see the special drills. Yeah, there is an inventory sheet in here as well. So let's open that. Crinkly noises. Crinkly noises. I did receive this canvas fairly quickly. I want to say I got it within a month. They are drop shipped. So they are made to order. All right, so here's your inventory sheet. Inventory sheet. So you've got your, your numeric number. You've got your symbol, the DMC color, the quantity, the actual quantity, your weight, and then the number of bags. That's nice to go through because I go through and check all the bags, so it'll tell you the number of bags you have for each color. So that's really nice. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's see here. Let's find some of these special drills. Here we go. All right, look at this. We've got a 152 AB. It's like a pretty pink. And we've got a really pretty like orangey yellow 725 AB. Ooh. And then we've got, those are not, oh, actually they are. Okay. 3078 AB, which is a real pretty yellow. And then these are dust drills. That is a yellow dust drill. Another darker yellow dust drill. And then like a peachy 3827 dust drill. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see. Are there any other dust drills? I'm looking on my sheet. Nope, there are 3 dust drills and where's the AB? There we go. Yeah. 3 dust drills and 3 ABs. So yeah, those are your special drills right here, which is a pretty good amount of special drills for a 50 by 50. So very lovely. Very lovely. Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. Fantastic. I am not familiar with the artist Pandy Peachy, so I'm definitely going to have to look them up on Instagram. I like to follow artists on Instagram. So yes. So yeah, the back is soft. It does have the scalloped edges, so you're not going to have fraying. Very nice. Very nice. Boy. All right, let's see where these special drills go. Let's do the ABs first. How about that? Okay, so this is the yellow AB 3078. So that's 47. That is an up arrow. Up arrow. Now, there is going to be a lot of confetti in this, but at the same time, there's also going to be color blocking as well. Okay, so the up arrow, let me see if I can hold this for you guys. Probably not. Here, I'll do it over here. It's in the lemons. So right here, that little, the up arrow. See the little up arrows right there? So they're going to be sprinkled throughout in the lemons. That will be lovely. So yeah, that's that one. And then the pink one, the 152 AB. That's 45. That is the plus symbol. So where's that going to be? Let's see. I'm looking. Plus symbol. Is it a plus symbol? Yeah, plus symbol. All right, help me out here. Yell at me. Tell me where it is. Okay, I see. It's in, I see some in the ears up here. So, see that? There's one. There's one. So it's going to be probably throughout the cat. And I'm sure other places as well. Yep, I see. Okay, so around right here. Around the rim of the cup. Okay, so that's the pink one. And then the orange one, 725 AB 46. That is the 2 double slash lines. Oh, there are lots of yellows in the lemon. I see that now. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna have to be up in here somewhere. This is the only part about doing an unboxing that I'm nervous about, because I always have to look for the symbols. I should probably look before I open it, but I opened the canvas, you know, on camera. Okay, there it is. So the double slash signs, that's the lighter, like the yellowish orange one. Right there. Also down in here, all in the rind of the lemon. Okay. All right, so those are your ABs. And then let's see, this is a 3827 dust drill. That is 50. That is the left arrow. The left arrow. Okay, so that's all throughout. See that left arrow all the way through here. Sorry for the glare. Yep. And then all throughout this middle section here, you see a bunch of them. So yeah, this is definitely going to have a lot of confetti. All right, 48 is a bright yellow dust drill. That's the question mark. That's going to be for sure in the lemons. Yeah. See the question mark in the lemons? Yep. Also over here in the lemons. And in the lemon down below, and then also in the middle filling of the cake. All the question marks. Nice. Okay. And then this is the last dust roll. This is 49. This is 3822. So 49 is an upside down U. Okay, so yeah, it's still going to be in the, there's one right there and right there. So it's going to be throughout here. That looks like an upside down U to me, or a really lowercase n. Very nice. So those are your special drills. Special drills. A little bit about the website. It is a new website, and I did notice on the website that you can choose on some of these round or square, which is wonderful. I love the fact that there's an option for that on some of the kits, and I hope that that expands to all of the kits if possible. Because usually when you have a square diamond painting, you can always do a round diamond painting. You just need to make it a little bit bigger to make it so that, you know, it looks good. Isn't that just adorable, that little cat? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just want to work on it now. Can I just work on it now? I'm so sorry for the glare. There we go. How about that? Is that better? Not as much of a glare. Oh my gosh, so cute. So definitely check out Sparkle&Spudz. There are licensed artists on her site. And like I said, they are drop ship. So made to order, so you're not going to have to, you know, wonder if you're going to be able to get it, that kind of thing. Yes, absolutely fabulous. So thank you, Dallas, for my order. And I will work on this at some point and test it out and let y'all know my thoughts. But so far, the plastic is awesome, thick plastic, so it'll be easy to cut out into sections. The glue, very sticky poured glue. The symbols are easy to read. A lot of confetti, but like I said, the symbols are very easy to see. They're very legible. They're not fuzzy, anything like that. There is going to be, like I said, color blocking in the background. So like all of this down here is going to be color blocking. Everything throughout, you know, in the background is going to be color blocking. But then there is going to be a lot of confetti, but that's going to look nice because it'll actually, you know, show definition of the cake and, you know, the lemons. So it will be fantastic. So there we have it. Sparkle&Spudz, new company, new diamond painting company for our community. So definitely go check them out. I will have the link to this canvas, to Sparkle&Spudz down in the comments. Down in the description, as well as the Instagram where you can, you know, find Sparkle&Spudz on Instagram. But Dallas is a fantastic individual. Love her to death. She has great products. So definitely check her out. All right. I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your week, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye, guys.